Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're signed in, so start by opening the calendar and selecting the meeting. Click Join and choose your audio and video devices. Make sure to pick speaker or headphones and the correct microphone, then toggle your camera on if needed. Once done, set your display name and configure background blur or image so others see a professional view. Join directly with the defaults when timed, but always run a 10-20 second device check to avoid audio surprises. Once in the meeting, you'll control audio and video from the bottom toolbar. Mute when not speaking to reduce noise, and unmute when you have a point. When presenting, click Share and select Window, Screen, or PowerPoint. Enable System Audio for videos. Use the participants pane to see who's in the call and the chat to paste links or notes. Manage focus with Spotlight or Pin for key speakers, and use reactions and raise hand to coordinate without interrupting. To finish, stop sharing and click Leave or End Meeting. If you recorded, confirm the recording uploads to Files or Stream and note the link for attendees. Download the chat or copy key decisions into your task manager, assign follow-ups, and send a brief summary to participants. If something goes wrong, no audio, frozen video, toggle your mic and camera, try switching from headset to built-in devices, or leave and rejoin. That simple rejoin often resolves permissions or network hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.